In this video, we will be discussing about Virginia Henderson's 14 basic need theory. Background of the theorist. Virginia Henderson was born on 13th November 1897 in Kansas City, Missouri, United States. She got graduated from the Army School of Nursing in 1921. In 1926, she awarded BS and MA degree in nursing education. Her interest evolved from helping sick and wounded military personnel during World War I. In 1955, she published her definition of nursing in a revised version of the textbook, The Principles and Practice of Nursing. In 1966, she clarified her definition of nursing in the book The Nature of Nursing. Coming to the definition of nursing, Henderson used her work as a philosophical statement rather than a theory because the term theory was not used at the time she formulated her ideas. From her ideas or from her point of view, the International Council of Nurses coined the definition of nursing. In her definition, Henderson emphasizes the care of both sick and well individuals. She was one of the first theorists to introduce or to include spiritual aspects of nursing care. According to Henderson, the nurse assists the patient with essential activities to maintain health, recover from illness, or achieve a peaceful death. The patient's independence is an important criterion for health. She identifies 14 basic needs that forms the components of nursing care. The nurse helps the patient to meet these needs and it provides a holistic approach to nursing. Coming to the assumptions of the theory, nurses care for patients until they can care for themselves once again. Nurses are willing to serve and that nurses will devote themselves to the patient day and night. She also believes that the mind and body are inseparable and are interrelated. Coming to the 14 components of the nursing care. This is the soul of the theory. The first one is breathe normally, eat and drink adequately, eliminate bodily waste, move and maintain desirable postures, sleep and rest, select suitable dress, that is to dress or undress, maintain body temperature within normal range by adjusting clothing and modifying the environment, keep the body clean and well groomed and protect the integument, avoid dangers in the environment and avoid injuring others, communicate with others in expressing emotions, needs, fears or opinions, worship according to one's faith, work in such a way that there is a sense of accomplishment, play or participate in various forms of recreation, and the last 14th one, learn, discover or satisfy the curiosity that leads to normal development and health and use the available health facilities. So these are the 14 components of nursing care. That is the 14 basic needs identified by Virginia Henderson and this is the soul of this theory. Coming to the meta-paradigm, this theory consists of 4 meta-paradigm: person, environment, health and nursing. We will see in detail. According to Henderson, she viewed person as an individual requiring assistance to achieve health and independence or a peaceful death. A person and the family are viewed as a unit. A person is affected by both body and mind. Person consists of biological and physiological components. Also, there are sociological components and she was the first theorist. She introduced spiritual components. Person is either sick or well and he strives towards the state of independence. Person has certain basic needs for survival. Person needs strength, will or knowledge to perform activities necessary for healthy living. Coming to the environment, environment is not specifically defined by Henderson in her theory, but she states that environment involves the relationship one shares with one's own family. It also involves the community and its responsibility for providing healthcare. Environment can be controlled by the healthy individuals. So illness may interfere with this ability. And she says that environment can affect the health. It can affect the personal factors and the physical factors. Personal factors include age, cultural background, physical capacity and intellect. These are the personal factors of the environment, and the physical factors are air and temperature. So both the personal factors and the physical factors of the environment, they play a major role in the person's well-being. Coming to next paradigm, that is health. Health is viewed as an individual's ability to function independently in relationship to the 14 basic needs. She also says health is a quality of life that is basic to human functioning and which requires strength, will or knowledge. Next is nursing. Nursing is defined as assisting sick or well individual to perform activities that will contribute to health or a peaceful death. She also says about nursing that the person with sufficient strength, will or knowledge would perform these activities unaided. She also says that nursing requires working independently with other health team members. She says that nursing requires basic knowledge of social science and humanities. So this idea led to the baccalaureate education program as a basic training in nursing. Nursing is logical, scientific approach to problem solving that results in individual care. And she says that it involves the use of a written nursing care plan. Coming to the strengths of the theory. In this theory, there are interrelated concepts. The concepts of fundamental human needs, biophysiology, culture and interaction, communication, which are borrowed from the other disciplines. The theory is logical. The theory is very simple and generalizable. It is applicable to all ages because the 14 basic needs are common to all age groups. The theory assists in increasing the general body of knowledge within the discipline. So from this theory only, we have generated the definition for nursing. What are the weaknesses of the theory? There are lack of conceptual linkage between the physiological and other human characteristics. There is no concept of holistic nature of human being. The relationship among the 14 components are unclear. So this is about the Henderson's 14 basic need theory. Thank you.